Hey guys!
Hi.
I'm Megan.
Brittany.
And today we are going to redo part 2 of the Dollar Store Taste Test because I edited it and went to go save it and then deleted all the clips before I could save it. So video's gone. And I did this without telling her too because she was gonna come over to spend the night for 2 nights. And so I went to Dollar General and I got some stuff and she does not know. I will not tell her. And I was like, you gotta wait till tomorrow. And she's like, okay, cool, can't wait. And girl, you're going to hate one of these items so much, but you have to try it.
I will. I'll try all of it.
Okay. First item. Let's see, I'm just gonna go in. These are Cheez-Its. And they're hot and spicy.
Wow, they look like little puff balls. Wow, this is really interesting.
Oh. Smell like vinegar and butt.
Oh, why does it smell like that? What kind of hot sauce is it supposed to be? Tabasco sauce? Wow. Okay.
This is what they look like. They look like Cheez-Its, just puffier.
Yeah, they like they used all-purpose or self-rising flour instead of all-purpose flour.
You guys get ready?
No.
That's it. Okay. Oh heck no! It keeps getting worse.
Oh. Oh man, that was horrible. My eyes water.
Oh god, I can't open it. I mean, they smell like Coke.
You definitely do. Oh wow, yeah they do. They smell like the fizzy foam part of the Coke.
Yeah. Well, let's rate these. That Cheez-It?
0.
0.
You can't even get on the right scale with that one. This one's like a 2 for me.
Yeah. Because they're not awful, but they're not good
Right,
either.
but you wouldn't want to eat a whole thing of it because there's really no taste to it.
Yeah.
And who drinks hot Coke? Ugh.
Now, we're going to try Pringles Loud Salsa Fiesta.
Yes, and I can't open it. Open sesame. Oh. I pressed my sniff this. These are are these like the baked
they smell
ones?
so good.
These are, they're corn crisps, but they're a little bit thicker. Oh, wow, yeah. They smell like habaneros salsa.
Oh, yes, they smell like salsa.
They're like little bitty taco shells.
Oh. These are good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're good.
Oh.
It makes you want the real thing, though. Like actual salsa. It's not bad.
No.
I rate that about a 6. I think it's a 6. I don't think
I'd buy these again.
I went buy them again.
And I didn't even know it. I'm gonna go get the drink. Ready?
No.
This is what I got.
Surge.
Yeah.
Citrus flavor soda.
It's an energy drink.
Do you know what time it is?
It is almost 9 o'clock at night.
Less than 1% juice. That stuff's making my tongue burn.
Well, yeah, it's salsa fiesta.
Alright, so this says it contains less than 1% juice. It's got 56 grams of sugars, 230 calories. Caffeine content is 69 milligrams.
2 bucks beer. Yeah. 2 bucks of beer. 2 Barks root beer equals 1 of these.
About 2 of them, yeah.
Yeah. So, smell it. I don't know. It smells familiar.
It doesn't really smell like anything.
It smells like oranges, kind of.
Well, citrus.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. It's green.
Bro. That's like,
bro.
That's like, it's like Mountain Dew.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wait, isn't that what that is? What it is?
It might be.
I went by it again because I went and want that much.
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not like a drink I would want to drink every single day.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It's pretty
I'd
good.
give it about a 5.
Same. Yeah. So you said in the last video, no, not last video, our first taste test video, which actually our first taste test video she accidentally put on her channel.
I did, and I still haven't moved it over. My bad.
Yeah, we'll have to move it over later. But we tried banana moon pies. So I got vanilla moon pies because you said you wanted to try them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Did they have the chocolate ones?
No, there's no chocolate. There's only vanilla and
a banana.
Okay,
let's
show them.
Alright, I guess that the vanilla coating is over it, but you can see the marshmallow.
Ugh.
Oh, whoops. Wow, that's just disturbing.
Ready, set.
Oh, it smells good. Kinda.
Yeah. I mean, they're not bad. Wait. It tastes like syrup. What did you give this?
A 2.
I had to give it 1.
Yeah, I think a 1. I couldn't even eat all of it, and that'd be a win. That's a win.
These
Combos.
Daddy said they were pretty good. Okay. Combo baked snacks pizzeria pretzels. Made with real cheese. I doubt that. But
They all say that. Everything. Hey, it's real cheese.
like, who's gonna believe that it's real
people
cheese?
are.
If it's real cheese, it's gonna be refrigerated. Except if it's from Lunchables, then all of it's fake. All of it is fake. I actually really like the smell of them. Okay, ready, set, go.
No.
Let's go.
Oh, man.
What the heck?
Mommy.
Did you just say mommy?
No, I said why me, but mommy. Oh, man.
Hold up.
Why? Braylon, be quiet.
Whoa. That's what it looks like inside. I mean,
The pretzel part's good. The inside powder stuff is not.
I actually kind of like them.
I give that a 3. I mean, if I was starving, I'd eat them.
I'll give it a 5. I have these. Do you remember the little gummies?
Yes, those are good.
Like, you cannot find them at all. So I was hoping these might be it.
Okay.
Gotta be like it.
That's kind of cheating. We know what they taste like. Well, maybe.
Maybe.
What they taste like.
I mean, I have not had those in years, so I kind of forgot what they tasted like. Oh, okay.
It's like here. Oh, no.
It won't be like them.
No. These are...
Rate them for the taste and texture.
Texture's 0. That... Oh, my mouth couldn't take that. The taste is really not that bad. I mean, it
Yeah.
does taste good. It's a
It's
fruity...
not like the gummies.
No, it's not anything like the gummies, but that...
They're not bad. I think I'd give them a 3 because, like, they're not bad, but I would never buy them again.
Yeah.
I never would.
Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Are you kidding me? What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? This is like dog food.
Well, it's not.
Are you supposed to cook this?
I hope you don't have to.
Fully cooked, ready to eat, hot or cold. Oh my, I'm gonna throw up.
Let's do this. Should we get forks or do you think we'll pick up with the hands? I mean, I'm getting forks. I don't want my hands smelling like that. Don't smell it yet. Wait for me.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. Bacon grilled luncheon loaf. Are you kidding me?
Nope.
It's got chicken, ham, and bacon smoked flavoring added.
Oh god, it's like dog food.
What if this is really dog food?
No, it's not. It's not. It would say dog food, and it would have a dog on the front. And plus, it says ready to eat.
So is dog food out of the can?
Oh, heck no. Ew! I mean, I bet it's gonna taste like spam.
What the heck made you think to get that?
Views.
Why me?
I'm already throwing up.
I know, me too. You know what's gonna be really scary is if you like wind up really liking it.
Oh, I got on the table.
I want.
The way it feels, man.
I want my chips.
You ready?
No.
Okay, I'm ready to taste it.
And these chips taste stale. I couldn't really taste that on there.
No. Set. Go. Oh god.
It tastes like those little wiener things. Hold on. You know the potted ones you can get in the cans?
Yeah, Vienna sausages.
There you go. My tummy hurts now. Or maybe we should do a taste test from Taco Bell. Like food we've not tried from Taco Bell.
Yes, let's do it.
I love some Taco Bell.
Well, that was it. Hope you enjoyed.
Our torture.
I think Brittany's got some pretty good reactions. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment some other video ideas, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we will see y'all next week or
Our next
whenever. So yeah.